Alrighty, so today what we are going to do is we are going to do a little versus video between the Makita brushed impact driver 12 volt against the Milwaukee brushed 12 volt impact driver. Now both of these brands have a brushless version of the 12 volt impact driver, but this video is brushed against brushed. Now I only have a 1.5 amp hour battery for the Makita, so we're only going to use a 1.5 amp hour battery for the Milwaukee. So both of these are very subcompact impacts, and we are going to see which one prevails on doing some Timberlock screws, and we're going to see how far one of these can drive a 4.5 inch lag screw. The Makita, the model number is DT03, variable trigger only, 0 to 2600 RPMs, and 0 to 3500 impacts per minute. Now that's actually a lot for a 12 volt. I only have a 1.5 amp hour battery, so we are going to see on how well this does. Alright, and so the Milwaukee, this is model number 2462-20, 12 volt system, variable speed trigger only, battery is full, and unfortunately for the Makita there is no fuel gauge. Goes to 0 to 2500 RPMs and 0 to 3300 impacts per minute. Now that is 200 impacts per minute less, and it is 100 RPMs less than the Makita. So we are going to do a little versus video against these two and see which ones prevails. And like I said before, both of these brands have a brushless version of this. This is just brushed against brushed. All right, so ready, go. Time. It was able to do it. All right, so we're going to do one for Milwaukee. Is the collet push in? No, it's not. You have to adjust it to get it in. Fantastic. So ready, go. That's where it actually stops. Battery's at 2. That might go up a little bit more soon. Another one. Do it right here. Alright, so ready? Go. Time. All right, let's do one for Makita. Let's go right next to it. All right, so ready, go. Time. So battery's still at 3 bars for the Milwaukee, and the Makita does not have a fuel gauge, unfortunately. Alrighty, we'll do one right here. Alright, so ready, go. Alright, so let's do one for Makita right here. So ready, go. put this somewhere else. Right there. We're using the same battery. This is at 3 bars, so this has got to be at 3 bars as well. We're going to use the same battery, and we're going to take 3 out at once. I'm going to go to the next one as fast as possible. All right, so ready, go. Wow, those are... Nope, just smells like a working motor. No burning whatsoever. Fantastic. Those are good results. So, Milwaukee has 3 bars. It is time for Milwaukee's turn. Take 3 out at a time. Ready, go. Take that one out. Alrighty, we're going to give this one a little time. Let's see if it's capable of knocking it loose. Nope. Just gonna ruin the tool. Alright, let's see if Makita can take that out. Ready, go. Alright, so we are going to do one test each when it comes to driving in a 4.5-inch lag. I got a fresh battery for the Milwaukee, 4 bars, and I got a fresh battery for the Makita. Sorry, no fuel gauge. So we are going to use the Makita 1/2-inch to 1/4-inch hex adapter. Alright, so ready, go. Time. That's it. It did it. It did it. Battery's at 2 bars. That'll probably go up to 3. Let's do a quick temperature reading of this. 83 degrees. 83. Not bad. It did it. It did it. Now, let's see if it can take it out. I'll be surprised if it can. Battery's at 2 bars. It should be easier to take it out, but we'll see if it can do it. Alright, so ready? Go. Time. It did it. Battery's still at 2 bars. Temperature reading 88 degrees. Alrighty, so it is time for Makita to step up to the plate and see what it can do. Milwaukee was able to do it, so let's see if Makita can. We're going to go around the same area. Alright, so ready? Go. Time. Wow. Yeah, Makita kicked Milwaukee's butt when it comes to driving in that lag. 70 degrees, 71 at the hottest point. All right, so let's take this out. Let's see what this can do. All right, so ready, go. Time. Yep. Sorry, Milwaukee fans. Makita kicked butt on that test. Alrighty. So when it comes to this test, I know people are going to say, well, the M12 system has much more powerful batteries than a 1.5 that has a 3 amp hour. It has a 2 amp hour, 3 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and a 6 amp hour. I know it does, but so does Makita. They have a 4 amp hour. 12 volt battery, but this test was for the 1.5 amp hour batteries. So the Milwaukee did it, but it was struggling big time to drive it in there when Makita did it with ease. So that does not mean that this M12 is a bad tool. It's still a good tool, especially if you're a part of the 12 volts, the M12 system. And so yeah, this was just a little comparative video for the 1.5 amp hour battery against the Milwaukee and Makita. So, the results are there. I'm sorry if you don't like them, but that's pretty much it. So, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. So, this is David Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.